everybody, I just wanted to jump on here and show you my Dollar Tree haul. I found some really exciting items. I wasn't able to get everything I went for, but here's just a few of the items that I found were these window clings, and it has the little green trucks on them with like the front end and the back end and stuff. And I thought this was super cute, and I really like the colors because I think this year with St. Patty's Day with like my tier tray, I'm going to do a lot of the orange along with the green. I think that's going to look super cute. So my next items I found for St. Patty's Day were these wooden cutouts. One says Lucky, and it's just like a pot of gold. And the other one is a 3-leaf clover. I just realized it's just a 3-leaf clover with hearts. And like I said, you will be seeing this along with this in an upcoming DIY, not to give too much away there. That was pretty much all the St. Patrick's Day stuff I bought for today anyway, until they start coming out with some more. Like I said, I don't really decorate much for St. Patty's Day, but just letting you know that they actually do have it in the Dollar Tree now, and you may want to get it while you can because you know how the Dollar Tree. So these next things I'm going to show you, I was super excited to find because I love this whitewash wood. It's going to be hard to kind of DIY these just because I like the way they are. But anyways, what I might do is just DIY the back. That way I can use the front for something else years to come. But yeah, these are out for Easter. Found me a bunny rabbit. It's just like the whitewashed MDF board or MFD, whatever they call that stuff. And then I found a little chick I thought was so cute, and a little egg. Well, I guess it's not so little. These are actually nice size. Yeah, the egg is 11 inches long and about 8.5 inches wide at the widest part. So yeah, you can see how big these are. The chick is 11 inches long, about 8.5, 9 inches at the widest part. So these are pretty good sized pieces. The bunny rabbit is about 10 inches by 10 inches at the widest part. So yeah, these you'll be seeing in some of my upcoming Easter DIYs. These are so cute. I'm so glad I was able to find these. I hardly ever find anything at our Dollar Tree, so when I do, I grab it up. But I don't get stingy on it just because I want to leave stuff for other people, because I think that's the reason why I can't find things is because people buy like as many as they want up and they never actually ever use them, and then the rest of us don't get to have them. So I found these wooden pieces. I got the egg and the rabbit, but they also had a chick in this. I didn't want the chick, but I got a rabbit head and an egg and this nice thick wooden pieces. These are about almost 5 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. So yeah, those are nice size pieces. And then I found this real pretty ribbon. These are about the colors I'm going to be using this year for Easter. And I was so happy to find this because I don't have any Easter ribbon. And I mean, I celebrate Easter and I love Easter and all that, but it's not something I used to decorate for a lot. And this year I've decided, I want to decorate and make my house because I love all these colors, and it's the only time of year I get to use these colors. So that was my small Easter haul that I was able to find. And then these next items are just some stickers and stuff that I've been looking for a while and haven't been able to find them. This is like the peel and stick wall decor pieces, but it's like a bird with some flowers and stuff. I thought this would be really cute for a spring DIY. It's removable. I mean, so, you can take it off and reuse it, and it won't hurt your walls, but I'm going to use this on some wood pieces of mine. Then I found these laser words at the Dollar Tree. She hadn't even unboxed them yet, and I asked her if I could open up the box, and she was like, sure. And these were the only 2 that they had. They had Family and Forever, and 3 come in each pack. And these are pretty nice size also for for a smaller word, and you get 3 of them. So yeah, these are 3.5 inches long. And this one, yeah, 3.5 inches long. And this one, along with my Easter, I found these cute little buttons. They're like I always get buttons at the Dollar Tree, but I've never seen colorful buttons before, but they have like some pink, some blues, and then they also have like some purples in here. So I was glad to find these. These will be good for spring and just all year round, because there's also some orange you could probably use for Halloween, you know, and some normal colors. So yeah, they also had these, they had several of these that had different colors in them. So it's just something you're going to have to look for at your Dollar Tree. When you see them, I would pick them up because these will go fast. And then just some final items that I found that I thought were cute. I found this wooden gnome. I can't tell if it kind of almost looks like it's ice skates, but I also can't tell if those are pointy slippers. Let me know in the comments below what you think those are. But anyways, if they're ice skates, I could just cut this off and make him little feet, and we could just DIY him. But I thought it would be cute for a tier tray. It's not very big, so it'll fit perfect on a tier tray, or it'll fit good on a shelf. And yeah, I was happy to find a gnome. Are we sick of gnomes yet? Or, you know, are they gonna stick around for a while? Let me know. And then I found these cute little signs that had the wooden beads. There was a variety of these, but I always DIY these, so it didn't matter what kind I got. But I did like the lighter wood on this because it's easier to stain and it's easier to paint. I think so. And it also has like the bead hangers on them. And yeah, so you can just take those out and DIY them for a tier tray or for whatever you want to use them for, or keep them as is. Because yes, you are meant for big things. And then I found this 2-piece wreath ring, the smaller ones. I've never been able to find the smaller ones. These are the 8-inch, which would be perfect for a wreath for like a cabinet door, or it would also be cute for like a candle wreath to put, like, you know, you could have your candle there or whatever. So yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I know it was short and sweet and it wasn't huge, but I thought you guys might enjoy seeing some of the things that the Dollar Tree has out now. And like I said, if you see it, you better grab it because they won't be around for long. That's why I went ahead and stocked up on the St. Patrick's Day and the Easter decor. So yeah, let me know what you think, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if the gnomes are going to stick around, and what was the other question I had? I don't remember what the other question. You'll have to rewatch the video and figure it out. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're not new, thank you for staying with me, and thank you for watching this video. And make sure you check out my social media pages at Crafty Anew. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.